welcome to my channel, guys. And today we are going to take a look at 5 of the best Cydia tweaks that just got dropped today and yesterday, and I already installed on my device and they're working just fine. There's no issue, there's no problem, and I only make the video on the Cydia tweaks that I install on my device, and if they don't have any issues and they don't cause any problem, that's when I make a video and bring it out to you guys, so you guys can easily install and customize your device without any issues or without any problem. Now, before we dive into this video and before we look into all these Cydia tweaks, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So the first thing we're gonna do, just like we always do, we're gonna go into the Cydia, and once we open up the Cydia, the first thing, we're just gonna let the Cydia load completely without we go to the next step. And as you guys can see, the Cydia has completely got load. And what you can do, go into the search bar and search for these Cydia tweaks. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into install, recent, and the first Cydia tweak for this video we are going to take a look at is this one right here. It's called Razor. Now, as you guys can see right there, Razor. And now with this Cydia tweak, as we go a little bit down to see the description right there, as you guys can see, supports iOS 13, 14, include all devices, and also Erase is the best tweak to clear up your app grid switchers just by one step. Two-way to erase them, and you can prevent media navigation application too. Also, your favorite application can exclude it from erasing process. So you can read through all this description, and it tell you, as you guys can see right here, there's the appearance, and then you got the customization, and then you got the animation, and then you got the positioning and other feature right here. And this is a really awesome Cydia tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And it's really easy to use, really simple to use. And as you guys can see, this is the first screenshot, and then you got the second one right here. Once you download, go to your setting and tweaks, and this is the interface in your setting application. And then there's right here, this is the switcher. When you go into switcher, and as you guys can see, you get these two options, erase, yeah. So what I'm going to do, if I go into the setting, go to your tweaks, and go into tweaks and find the eraser right here, as you guys can see. So this is your interface, and there's, as you guys can see, you got the settings right here, the first section, and then you enable it, and appearance right here, click on this, and you have these appearance right here, and settings, and then you got the prevent list, and then you can do click on this, and you can do none, media application, and navigation, or you can do both. And then next one is animation automatic, or you can choose from none, light, dark, and automatic. Then the next one is the positioning and the exclude application. So if you click on that, you have the access to all the application installed on your device, as you guys can see right here. So this is really awesome. And once you pick your settings and you think you're happy with the settings, all you have to do, have the save button right there on the top right corner, hit respring, and this going to respring your device. And once your device come back, and as you guys can see right here, you have the access to that. And as you guys can see right there on the top right corner, you got the application. So just like that. So it's really awesome, really nice tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. So now we're gonna go back into the Cydia recent and install in recent. And next Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is the right here, Messenger search privacy. Now this tweak is really awesome for your Messenger application. So as you guys can see, the tweak was done as part of the tweak Bounty. So if you're using the tweak called Bounty, this is this tweak you guys need for that to work perfect with that. As you guys can see, this tweak will hide your suggested and recent result from the search dialog inside your Facebook Messenger, and sports latest Messenger version 3.3.0, and the, as you guys can see, the source code at my GitHub, and as you guys can see right here, it is free and updated May 26, 2021, and version it is comparable with 11 through 14.3. So this is really awesome Cydia tweak as well, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And now the next one we are going to take a look at is the, we're going to scroll down. And it's going to be this one right here. As you guys can see, intelligent pass 4. Now this tweak is really awesome, and as you guys can see, there's screenshots, you can look those, and then also there's a description right here. Everyone can relate to when you are home, and touch or face ID refer to work, or when you host a party and everyone asks for your password to unique their favorite song. These situations can drive you crazy, or or at least annoying you a bit. So this one right here, Intel 4 is the allow you to disable your passcode to the lock screen when it is not necessary, but at the same time keep features like Apple Pay and iTunes purchase protected. It comes with a beautiful design and make your device even more useful. And there's so much you can do with this, as you guys can see right here. Active noise cancellation, you can do airplane mode, you can do Apple Watch, Bluetooth devices, CarPlay, charging, dark mode. So all these right here, as you guys can see, is listed, and it tell you what you can what you cannot do. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. This is really awesome Cydia tweak to have on your jailbroken device. And as you guys can see, it is comparable with the 14.0 to 14.5. This is really awesome Cydia tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now the next one we're going to take a look at is the I'm going to search bar and search for this one. So it's called IAmLazy, as you guys can see right here, the name, and also the description right here. Easily backup and restore your tweaks and sports iOS 13 and 14 from within the setting app. User can backup their tweaks, restore from the most recent backup, and all that. And this is really awesome Cydia tweak. And please note, backups are not touched by restore root fs. IAmLazy does support moving between bootstrap, jailbreak, and all that. As you guys can see, this is really awesome Cydia tweak, and really handy, and that's why I just want to throw it in this video. And sometime we come across that we install a bad tweak and we have to restore, or you have to do root sf. FS, and then what happens, and you lose the jailbreak. You have to completely remove the jailbreak and then re-jailbreak your device. And then once you re-jailbreak your device, what you have to do, you have to install all the sources and the repos and the tweaks over again, one by one. With this tweak, you don't have to do that. As you guys can see, this is the screenshot. You got the make tweak backup, and then you have the restore from backup. And as you guys can see right here, backup process. So I'm going to show you guys on my device as well. As you guys can see right here, from a lost backup or from a specific backup. So you have all these options right here, as you guys can see right there. So now once you download this, before I go to my device and show you guys, I just want to mention it is free to download and free to use. And if we look all the way in the bottom, it is from Bigboss repo, and it's 100% working, and there's no issue, no problem. So once you download this tweak, and just go to your settings, go to your tweaks, and go find the IAmLazy right here. As you guys can see, this is the interface for this. So two options you have, make a tweak backup right there, and then you have the restore from a backup. So if we click on the plus sign right there, as you guys can see, you have this message: please confirm that you have add unique free storage before proceeding. So let's say we do, and hit confirm. As you guys can see right here, backup in process, generating list of installed packages is completed, and then filtering list of user package is complete. And as you guys can see, the third option is in process. So you have to wait. As you guys can see in the bottom right here, you have the scroller spinning. So I mean, as you guys can see, the third option is completed. So I'm going to let this process complete. It takes a little bit of time. It depends on how many tweaks, how many repos you have installed. Based on that, it takes time. So we're just going to let it complete. Now, as you guys can see, the last one is in process. So we're going to let that complete, and I'll show you guys the next step. This is really awesome and handy tweak, and I highly recommend you guys. If you guys didn't know, please let me know in the comments below if this tweak was helpful to you guys. And as you guys can see right here, once it completes, the tweak backup completed successfully in 70.02 seconds. It tell you how many seconds it took, and just hit OK. Now what you can do, once you are ready to back up, and all you have to do, restore from backup. If we click on this, as you guys can see right here, choose how you would like to restore. So as you guys can see, we got the from lost backup or Pacific. So if we click on this, as you guys can see, I have performed two backups. One was on May 24 and one was on 27. So which I'm not going to do. I'm just going to hit cancel. But when you guys need, that's how you guys use this application, this tweak. And if you guys have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments below. And now what are we going to do? We're going to go back into the Cydia, and we're going to take a look at the next Cydia tweak, which is going to be this one right here, Loopy. Loopy, basically, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I just want to say, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I apologize for that. Loopy. So now once you find that, and there's a description right here, magnify gloss for text field. Now as you guys can see right here, this package tested to be working on iOS 14.3, might or might not work on lower iOS version. So with this tweak, what you can do, basically it give you the access to magnified gloss, And I can show you guys right here. Let's say you're in a website or Safari or anywhere and you want to do magnify. Just all you have to do 3D touch, as you guys can see, just like that. As you guys can see, we have the access to magnified glass, just like that. So you can, if you have a hard time reading, you can do 3D touch, and you have the access to magnified glass. And that's what this tweak does. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And also, I think that's all for this video. And just want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. And that's been said, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in next video.